Hi everybody, I'm going to talk about our 4-channel traffic light controller. This controller can be managed by Wi-Fi, okay, with your phone or PC or tablet, whatever devices it has browser. You can just type the IP address of this controller, and default IP address is 192.168.4.1. Then you are going to write your default username and password. Then you will see this default screen. Okay, in this video I will try to cover only motion and wiring. So let me talk about the motion. What is motion? In this demo I have only 3 motion. One of them is for red, the other one is yellow, and the other one is for green. So those 3 motion in a loop, in a cycle, and they keep repeating. So here is the thing. The first motion is going to run between 0 to 5, and second one is between 5 to 7, and third is between 7 to 12. Those are the time period when each light is going to run. Then as soon as it arrives to motion 3, then it is going to go back to the first one. Okay, this is how it runs. Or if you want to run the limitation, let's say you just only want 2 cycle, then you are going to write here and hit the save button. Okay, so as you see, what is going here is red goes to the green, then goes to the yellow. What about if you want to run yellow before green ends? Okay, so let's try that. So green between the 0 and 5, right here. Then I will try to click here. If I make this one 4 to 7, I am going to update. Look, now what will happen here is it is going to go to green color, then before green ends it is going to go yellow. Cool, right? Yeah, so I already connected my also 4th color here, which is the white color, 4th lamp to my controller. So let me try to turn on that too. In order to turn on that, I have 4 relays here. So motion 1 is on the first relay, motion 2 is on the second relay, and motion 3 is on the third relay. So in order to put the motion 4, I will select the relay 4. So let me make this between 12 and 13. I'm sorry, here 12 and 13. So if I add this, what we will see is after the red, it is going to go here. All right, only 1 second. That's it. So what about if you want to, let's make this red flashing. So I'm going to click to the red. Between 7 and 12, I will make this flash. I select flash option there. Then I am writing the on duration here is 0.5 and off duration is 0.5. So let's hit update. Now it is flashing. Only half seconds on and half seconds off. So what I showed here is, depends on your application, you can design your traffic light pattern or modes. Everything is between your fingers and all of them here. So, and now let's talk about the wiring. This is the wiring I selected. Okay, let me turn off. Okay, I will turn off, stop, turn off. Cool. So this is the wiring I select. Okay, I use 110 volt here for the input. So this is that. This cables are coming from my wall, which is 110 AC volt, to power the board I have, and I share that 110 volt with my 110 volt lamps. So this is the diagram wiring I used. Normally open, COM port, and normally closed. I use normally open for relay. As you see, all normally opens are in the same line. Okay, then between my with the blue sign, as you see, there are lamps here, and they goes to the COM. Okay, it is so simple. If you want, you can power your board with the DC voltages here. Okay, that is another option. And if you want to run your device via car battery, this is the wiring you need to use. Okay, and I tried to also put a cycle diagram here. This is how it runs. So green is running between 0 to 5 seconds, then yellow 5 to 7, then red is between 7 to 12, then it goes into the loop like this. Okay, and again, if you want to limit the cycle, there is an option to limit it. Let me know if you have any question. Have a nice day.